For today's recipe, I'm going to be making spiced meat over homemade flatbread in just under 1 hour. The outside edges are super crispy and the entire flatbread is easy to roll up and chew into. First, we'll start by making the dough for the flatbread. Once the dough is done, we're going to set it aside for 30 minutes to rest. Now we're going to spice the meat. To achieve that deliciously unique Mediterranean flavor, you're going to need every single spice, paste, and sauce in this recipe. Remove the seeds and the watery pulp from the tomatoes to have an extra boost of tomato flavor. Once the meat is spiced, set it aside so we can start on the flatbread. Divide the dough into 8 equal sections. For smaller mini flatbreads, you can divide it into 12 sections. Roll out each section of the dough into a circular ball. Then take your rolling pin and roll out the dough as flat as you can. Then bake the flatbread in the oven at 465 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. Add a squeeze of lemon on top and add your favorite toppings.